Hi Suryanshu, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Hi, sir. I'm fine. How's you?
I am also doing good, thank you. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Suryanshu with us today. He is an old student. He enrolled in some of the courses in 2022 and recently he got an opportunity with one of the organization. Today we are going to discuss about his experience here at I-MEDITA throughout these 2-3 years and what kind of training he has done, his overall experience here, his background as well. So, hi Suryanshu, welcome again and let's get started. So, could you please introduce yourself, give us an understanding about your IT background?
So I have joined here in I-MEDITA for enrolled for CCNA course in the 2022. So from there, I've done my CCNA courses, and after that, I've placed. I've worked somewhere and some organizations, and after that, I have for my upgrade to upgrade my skills, I have enrolled for GJP, means multi-course, multi-program. So in that I have studied CCNA, CCNP, and CCNA in securities. So where we I got proper knowledge for theory as well as practice also. Means all the faculties for CCNA, CCNP are very well. They are means whatever the doubts you have, you can ask them. There is no time for that. For lab, we were having labs also. So was and for CCNA security, Baldev sir was also there. So whenever you ask doubt, he will be always for their key. Okay, if there is a doubt, you can ask him, and there are and also other faculties also you can get in the lab environment. So that was like this was good.
Okay. Um, how was your overall experience during the training program when you were doing full time? Like you did classes from multiple instructors. How was your overall experience and how many hours you have spent that time?
So for like I was working as well. So during my week offs, I used to come here and I used to study here from the labs, and I've done lab simulations in my laptop. So accordingly, I just plays makes some labs and troubleshoots configures. So that helps me to like as well as since I was learning theories in the classes. So simultaneously, I used to work on labs as well.
Okay.
So it
What's
was
the
like
total years of experience?
2.5.
Okay, okay. And previously you were working with NSC, right?
NEC, yes, National Stock Exchange of India.
Okay, great. So, in last 2 years, what all modules and courses you have completed? CCNA is one, CCNP, Network Security, CCNA Security. You have also enrolled for Palo Alto Firewall, if I'm not wrong,
Yes,
right?
yes, I have done Palo Alto training from Baldev sir, under Baldev sir, and after that I gave the exam for global certification also. So passed that also as well.
Okay, wonderful. And what are the two, three things you liked here at iMedita, which help you get a better output?
Like lab, e-engine labs we were using. So GNS, packet tracer is the basic one we used to do for CCNA. After for CCNPs, we jumped for GNS3. But my best for me, I think e-bench is the better options for because you can use you can do all the labs like irrespective of CCN or CCNP or CCL. You can troubleshoot more. You get more options to troubleshoot and more things. So
Okay.
e-bench is the better option.
And based on your learning activities here, what all material you have followed for your learning purposes?
So first the handouts which Amita gave me, and the classes. I have taken a recorded session also because if there is something doubt, I used to raise a ticket and get it done. Get my doubts clear, get my doubts clear, and after that, mm, also these things.
Okay. And uh, did you got all the required study material, lab access, and video access, live classes access at the right time from our team?
Yes. So that was my best option. That's a major advantage for me while learning in my data because if there is any class, if there, I used to work in, I was having shifts. So sometimes I didn't get the time to join the live classes or to come to physical classes. So I used to join directly from lab, from online, and I used to get it done. My class should be clear so that I can be like going with the flow. Classes do go in the topics. I should not leave any class.
Okay. Okay, great. And are you satisfied and happy with the services you have received from our side?
Yes, definitely. Because before, after resigning from NEC, there was some gap. So I was like, I was like saying, so frustrated kind of because of the calls and all because of the job markets. But after reaching out to I-MEDITA team, they helped me to like work for that, work on Mio as well. So from communication as well. So like every overall technical as well. So that helped me a lot.
Okay. You have couple of years of experience. Okay, you left NSE, then you had some gap. Now you have rejoined another company. Based on your experience, based on your training experience here at I-MEDITA, what suggestion, recommendation, or advice would you give to someone who is currently undergoing courses and looking for job opportunities?
So I can give a live example because while I was studying, one of the student from I-MEDITA only, he was not sure to join or not to see for the career in the networks or not. So he pinged me because hey brother, like he asked me some of my questions regarding he was having so much doubt regarding should I go in I-MEDITA or what should I do? Because nowadays there are so many organizations, so many institutes, sorry, to for classes. So I explained him ki okay, initially you have to work on that, work on yourself. You have to your basics should be clear, right? And then not only theory but practical as well. Once it is done, you can. Or initially you can't like you think of like you will get a like there are nowadays everyone thinks like they want like 5 LP or 7 LPS in the start as a fresher, but sometimes it won't. The things we think it doesn't go like that. So I explained him ki, okay, you just start learning yourself. He was also having some doubt, I guess, gap. So I asked him, I told him ki ignore that. You just have to focus on your skills, practical as well, and try to as much as be in the lab, ask doubts, whatever, try labs, many labs, whatever the labs you are getting, any small doubt also you can ask. So it was good. So I explained him, and at the end he was like, okay, he was like, and he joined. Like after that, he being me, I have joined the classes and wrote for CCNA. He told me the instructor name as well as Vikas sir was. I was like, yeah, he's good. I have also studied under him only, so he's also in the I-MEDITA only.
Okay, great. And based on your experience throughout these 2, 3 years, okay, uh, did you feel that we need to improve in some areas, or do you have any suggestion, any feedback for us through which we may improve our training and services in future?
So as a feedback, whatever I see is the best thing because we are getting all the lab handouts, all the classes, the live session also, recorded session also. So it is fine. Like for me, everything is just depends on us ki what how much we take from the classes. So my
Okay.
suggestion is for us. Like, we have to take the things.
Thank you, Suryanshu. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for future. If your certain modules and classes are still pending, try to complete them. Stay in touch, and we wish you all the very best once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.